Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri and you're on a channel about car soundproofing, and today we will show how to trim door card for this beautiful Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution in a 9th generation. Let's do this together. Let's take a look what mount points do we have here. The first one is organized in this place, the second is organized in this place. Also we have couple of supportive screws there and this triangle for tweeters. So let's start with these two. Let's come. So let's do this. Let's just open this plastic window, the first one, and you see the screw there. Now let's open this one, which sitting there. So also don't forget to open these plastic windows, and the same story here. Let's unscrew all these bolts. Let's start from the top one. This is the first. Yeah, just put it aside, and then that one would be the second one. They are different, so this one was in this place and this one was on a locker mechanism, so don't mess with them. Yeah, so you have to, otherwise you will just damage the plastic. So let's put them aside. Now let's gently pull this plastic, yeah, to unlock the door. Now let's do the same and unscrew this side. Oh, just one. This is together with the plastic. Don't miss them, otherwise it's really hard to find them online. Okay, now let's take a look on this plastic. You have to gently push it up and then down. And I will show you right now. There are two brackets in the front and in the back that are sitting here. So you firstly have to push it gently up, otherwise you will break this plastic. It's really fragile because it's 20 years old. Let's unplug this triangle so we will see inside. Okay, this is how it goes, and then inside you will see another bolt. Then we have to unscrew. See this guy, this is a tiny one. Okay, it's a short one, and then you can remove this triangle, just move it up. Let's return it back, and now here we go. So we're ready to, we will use inflatable wedge because it's the safest way how we can create a gap between this plastic. Okay, here we go. Now clips were detached, and then just continue moving further and move the plastic door card here. Okay, that's not everything. Here we also have a connector. This one connector, sometimes it's pretty tight. So yeah, this is our guy. And yeah, this is how we trim the plastic door card. If you would like to access the inner skin, you just need to unpeel this protection film, water and dust, and then you can do the soundproofing of your door. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next videos.